Hello fellow riders and welcome back to Airhead Barn. So after degreasing all components that we took apart, now we are going to start disassembling them and inspecting. First we will start with the final drive or differential. At minimum we are going to reseal it and inspect gears and bearings, and then if something is wrong, if something is bad, we will address that. Hopefully all major components are just fine. Just looking at splines here, they look in good shape. Bike has 50,000 miles, so I don't expect like a major wear of those components. Back in the days they were really quality built, but time will tell. So let's start opening this final drive and we will go from there. Okay, so here is ring gear. Looks beautiful, really no damage whatsoever on this one. That's terrific. Okay folks, that's it regarding disassembly and inspection. It seems that all components are in really good shape, so there is no need to change anything here except for gaskets and seals. And now I'm going to clean everything and change those seals, put everything back together, and our final drive is ready to go. Thank you for watching.